Let's get this open. Cut the tape. Pretty serious staple here. We'll be dealing with that in a moment. Excellent packing. Excellent packing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Triple boxed. Very nice. 12, 12, 24. Don't know what that means. It's probably when they got it in their inventory. Okay. Let's get the guitar out. We don't want to break or bend the handle of the case. Let's put this away. Triple boxed. It's expected to be a wine red deluxe. Wow. Let's take it out, give it a good looking over. I wanted this guitar since I was a kid. Nice touch, by the way. They put this down by the strap pin. Very nice. Really well packed. Oh, we got goodies in here. We got a few goodies in here. The seller is Dave's Guitar Shop. We got the Gibson tool, an ad from Gibson, Gibson cloth, another bridge, owner's manual that's not even touched, there's no fingerprints on it, picture of the guitar, likely the bag that those things came in. Like the hang tag here. Beautiful. Look at the date. Feb 14th, Valentine's Day. Let's get a better close-up of the guitar. Let's put the tip on. Actually, it matches the binding and the pick guard and the pickup rings. Very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. And the strings are loose. Thank you for doing that too. Thank you. And here's a picture of the back. Very nice. No scratches, no belt rash. The other thing to look for is if the headstock's been banged. Very nice. Very, very good. Let's take a look at this bridge. All right, without making a side-by-side comparison, this bridge is fine. This guitar was advertised as excellent condition. Unless they see something I don't, it looks like it's in mint condition. One of the first things I do is put 2 microfiber cloths in the guitar case. I use these to wipe the guitar off before I put it away. Just remember to pull the tags off. Whenever you have a guitar with a tilted back headstock, like most Gibsons. You should lay it down where the headstock has no back pressure on it. Neck pickup. Both pickups. Bridge pickup. Both pickups. Bridge pickup. Neck pickup. Both pickups. Bridge pickup. A little distortion here. Bridge pickup. Both pickups. Neck pickup. demonstration, this little unboxing, and good luck to you in your search for gear that you'll enjoy. Take care.